much noise everywhere. Even Raja is scared. What is it today?
Today is Diwali. Diwali.
Meenu, what are you doing?
I am making a rangoli, Baz. It is Diwali today.
What is Diwali?
Diwali is a festival. It is a festival of lights.
What is a festival of lights?
In the evening, everyone lights lamps. There are lots of lights everywhere. That is why it is called the Festival of Lights.
Why do people light lamps on Diwali?
On this day, Lord Ram came back to Ayodhya after killing Ravan.
Who was Ravan?
He was a demon king.
Oh, Demon King. That is scary.
People also go to the temple to pray on Diwali. We say Happy Diwali to people.
Happy Diwali. Meenu, Happy Diwali. Happy Diwali. Lovely smell.
Ma is making sweets. Come, let's go and see.
Wait, Meenu. Let me get some honey. Now it will be sweeter.
I love festivals. We get sweets to eat. We get new clothes. We meet people and we can decorate the house.
What is decorate?
It is to make any place like our house beautiful. Like this.
I also want to decorate. I will help both of you.
Come, Buzz. Let us decorate our house.
I love festivals, Chinu. I like all the sweets. Are there any more festivals?
Yes, there is Eid. A special sweet, sevaiya, is made on Eid. People go to the mosque to pray on Eid. We wish people Eid Mubarak on that day.
Eid Mubarak, Eid Mubarak.
I like Christmas also. It comes on 25th December every year.
What is Christmas?
It is the birthday of Jesus Christ. People go to the church to pray on Christmas. We wish people Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas.
There is another festival. It is called Gurpurab. It is to celebrate the birthday of Sikh Gurus. People go to the Gurudwara to pray.
We can celebrate so many festivals. It will be lots of fun.
Yes, festivals are fun.
Meenu, Will you make a new dress for me also?
Sure, Buzz. I will ask Grandma to make a new dress for you. Come, let's go to her. Grandma, Buzz wants a new dress to wear during festivals.
Friends, Buzz needs help. Will you help him? But you have to answer loudly.
Do you like to celebrate festivals? Which festival is also known as the Festival of Lights? Diwali. How do you wish people on Diwali? Happy Diwali! Where do people go to pray on Diwali? Temple. What sweet is made on Eid? Sevaiya. How do you wish people on Eid? Eid Mubarak. Where do people go to pray on Eid? Mosque. When is Christmas celebrated? On 25th December. How do you wish people on Christmas? Merry Christmas! Where do people go to pray on Christmas? Church. Which festival celebrates the birthday of Sikh Gurus? Guru Purab. Where do people go to pray on Guru Purab? Gurudwara.
Now, will you fill in the blanks with me?
We wish people dash on Eid? Happy Diwali! Or Eid Mubarak! Or Merry Christmas! We wish people Eid Mubarak on Eid. We wish people dash on Christmas. Happy Diwali! Or Merry Christmas! We wish people Merry Christmas on Christmas. We wish people dash on Diwali. Eid Mubarak. Or Happy Diwali. We wish people Happy Diwali on Diwali. We wish people Eid Mubarak on Eid. We wish people Merry Christmas on Christmas. We wish people Happy Diwali on Diwali.
Shall we match the following now?
Eid, mosque, Diwali, temple, Christmas, church, Gurupurab, Gurudwara, Eid, mosque, Diwali, temple, Christmas, church, Gurupurab, Gurudwara. Friends, festivals are fun. Do you celebrate festivals? You can tell your friends about the festivals You celebrate.